Always take flavors and I'm like, what's your favorite flavor? What's your favorite flavor? Forget this.
Chocolate.
I don't like chocolate. Do you like ice cream or chocolate?
لا أبغى ice cream.
How about dark chocolate? Do you like dark chocolate? Do you love mommy? Do you love mommy?
ماماتي؟
Hair? Do you love daddy?
يعني.
So I get them to say a few yeses, and then I give them the choice of the flavor. Which choice of flavor? Strawberry, vanilla, or bubblegum. I love vanilla too. What's your favorite vanilla topping? Okay, she does it. Yeah, I give the sticker.
Fudge.
See, she has fudge.
sticker ما في.
شو هذا العقاب كده مستعجل. Okay, so by the time she's doing her business, I'm still all this time. You don't just like you're gonna lose the patient. So always, هي بعطيك إبرة. تبينها عودة ولا بيبية؟
ما أبغى إبرة.
ما تبين إبرة؟ أوكي أنا ما أبغى إبرة.
يعور.
يعور؟ قولي والله. شو يعور؟
شي.
ما أحب شي. هذه شو؟
لا تعاونيني.
Okay. Promise? Pinky promise? Okay, pinky promise. Okay. So just engage with the child and answer the questions. Huh?
لا تراويني ما يقولون يقولون ابغى اشوف.
شو سويتي؟ ما تبين شيء؟ شو تبين عيل؟
ما أبغى إبرة.
ما تبين؟ شو تبين؟
أخاف.
تخافين من شو؟
إبرة.
بإبرة؟ كيف الإبرة شكلها؟ ما
تعور.
تعور ما أحب شي.
انا الدور
والله ترى أنا صدق شيء أقول.
But look, I want to tell you something. Usually, I tell my nurses don't come from behind. شوفي? No, don't do that. Just show. Look, this is the funny nose. شوفينها وايد حلوة. تجلسي هني عارفة شلونك صغيرة. Okay? Let's try it. Okay? And I usually say, if you don't like it, you tell me. Safe option for exit. Okay? Excuse me. I'm just gonna put it and make sure before I put it that I've shown, and then I'm gonna put it from behind while looking at them, just for them not to get claustrophobic. Okay. ساعديني يلا حطيها. Okay. Yes. And if they put it, they accept it. If I put it, it's a different story. Okay. شمي من خشمك. It's okay. كيف ريحته? Is that the vanilla or the strawberry? شو اخترتي? I usually am fast, so initially I was just, but anyway, I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit. Hey, شمي من خشمك وايد. Okay. Tell me what you're feeling. And شمي وايد. Okay. حلو. Good job. Huh? شمي وايد. Okay. شمي من خشمك حاولي. في هو هني. Good. See, there's a leak. Now at this point, I don't want to upset her. If she's a real child and I'm doing this, she hates me. So I would take it off. But since she's ميمونة, this has to be in and this has to be in all the way. الحين شوي أحسن.
Yeah.
The thing is, it keeps الشيلة. I don't know how to do it without the شيلة.
يعني شو رايك أفسخ الشيلة قدام؟
أنا ماليش دعوة. Okay, شي أحسن.
Yes.
That's perfect. شمي من خشمك. أقول look up. Hey, بس شي أحسن.
Okay.
Okay, now relax. Just relax your hand. Good job. Can I touch your hand? شمي من خشمك. Now look. Yes. And just breathe and tell us how you feel. Okay, so now how about me and you play a little game? You like games? What do you like most? Games or eating?